We have Acura RL 2009. We have a code 15.1 ABS sensor, rear right ABS sensor short or ground bed. So the customer already changed brand new module. He tell you change it to the dealer. I don't know if he go to the dealer or not. He changed brand new module. They put a brand new sensor, and it still have a code. So we need to check this line. If this line is good, so this line come from the sensor to the module. So let's go and do the test first, okay? Well, we need this. You guys can use your longer adapter, so whatever you want to do. I use this. So we need this and this. So we plug this here. Hold it 1 second. We put the line right there. This is the color. What color can be this? Orange? So, okay. We take the line with us. We need to remove this. It's right there. See these clips here? Out. And to install it, like this. 2 pieces here and in. Done. Hold it a second. And we come here. Yeah, hold it right there. We need to use our voltage measure, and we can put it right there, guys. Here. So where you put it here, if you connect these two, we have a noise. Okay? We unplug the connector from the ABS module. We already find the line is right there, this here. For the color where we put first, so we see it. We can put this here, right there. There you go. Right there. And we check this line here, right there, here. And you can hear the noise. Here. Now we need to change and check the other line. So hold it 1 second. We change it right here now, and we check this line. So after we check the connector, we find. So I don't know if you guys can see it right now. 1 second. We find the line right there. It's not too much good. So we start to fix this connector right there. You can go in junkyard and buy one other, cut it right there and do it. Or you can do what I do. I use the same shit. I cut it right there. I remove the 2 pins inside and I put it here. So we need to do this first. You can see the line now, right? I need to do this line now. And we can check again the line after, okay? Cut the plug. You see it here, guys? So I need to fix this. So you can order online this set. This is for pull out the small pin what is inside. It's a lot of different model where you can order. Oh, you can do with this. If I show you to do it with this, we remove this small plastic right there. It pop out. We'll fix it after. And if you see it good, if you see it here, I don't know if you can see it. I think so. You know, have a small pin right there. I have a small plastic pin. So we can open this small plastic pin and we can pull the cable out. So hold the cable right there, here, and move the pin here. Done. Out. So I already did one, guys. I want to show you how to do the other. Done. So before we install this, we need to remember which side, which color is here and which color is here. Okay, so I remember my side. This is like this here. We installed this cover where I already removed it before, so I can install it and I can remove it again just to show you guys because I don't leave it. Okay, we need to remove this. It's right there. See these clips here? Out. And to install it, like this, 2 pieces here and in. Done.